We are at the Huntsdale Fish Hatchery in Huntsdale, Pennsylvania. For part of a population estimation study, we go out and catch the turtles and then measure them and let them go again. A method that we use to estimate population size is called mark-recapture. You catch a bunch of animals, mark them, let them go, and then you come out and do the exact same thing again at a later date, and then you get to see what portion of them were already marked, and then how many of them are new. Based on those numbers, we can actually get an estimate of the population size. This is important because this is a common turtle, but by monitoring this turtle, we're able to tell sort of the quality of the habitat in this area, because if this turtle is doing well, hopefully other turtles are doing well at the same time.